Guys, kung bago kayo sa aking channel, don't forget to subscribe, click all the notification bell, like and share na rin po sa inyong friendship to notify sa mga bago kong YouTube videos. Salamat! Hi everyone, let's do the unboxing. Meron binigay sa akin yung aking kapatid. Ninja Ion Personal Air Purifier. Okay, makikita niya may limited edition. Anyway, binili niya to sa Pinas, 10 sabi. Binili ng kanyang ano. So, industry leading 200 million ion sec per second purification capabilities. Helps deactivate most viruses and bacteria. Aids in purifying air around the wearer. Super boosted battery life up to 8 hours per full charge. And ultra lightweight, barely 35 grams. 4 pound per pound and lightest among existing tests. Anyway guys, ang gaan-gaan niya so far. So yan. Tignan natin. So meron siyang user manual. Ito po siya. So meron din siyang cable. So yan po. Parang normal na Samsung lang. So, may user manual siya. This is a product comfortably. Please read the manual carefully before use. Product specifications. Package includes rated voltage DC 5 volts. Yan, dimensions. Power supply USB. So, okay. Operations. Connect the USB with the device USB port. So, dito siya guys. So, ngayon for sure naman to pag chinarge to, magbi-blink-blink lang naman yan. Please make sure to full charging about 30 minutes. So, charge daw siya ng 30 minutes. Continuous working time, about 80 hours. How to operate. Attach the lanyard on the device. Press on and off. Button the device starts working indicator lighters on. I assume dito siya. Sabi ng kapatid ko kasi suot daw siya. Kulay blue siya guys. Maganda na kaya siya? Sabi kasi huwag daw tatanggalin. When working the indicator light will stay solid blue. So, solid blue siya guys. Solid blue. Okay. When power of the indicator light will turn up. When charging, the indicator will keep flashing in green color. So, yan. Mag-flash daw siya ng green color. When fully charged, the indicator light will turn blue. So, yan. Anion release. Dito siya nagre-release. Yung anion. On and off. Blue indicator. Ninja Ion. So, USB connector. Attention. The person who uses a cardiac pacemaker should not share without doctor's permission. Please do not assemble or modify this device as it may cause fire or if device fail, do not touch the input when the device is working. Huwag daw itatouch. So, bawal palang itouch yung taas. Helps deactivate, avoids black allergens and dust particles. Super boosted battery will provide 180 days. So, yun guys, Ninja Ion. So, sabi ng kapatid ko, huwag kang tanggalin to habang nasa trabaho ko. So, yun lang guys. Happy ako na meron akong Ninja Ion Personal Air Purifier. Salamat!